This isn't just another 1967 Camaro. This one is special. Not only is it a red Rally Sport convertible, it is claimed to be the highest optioned convertible there is. I can't prove that, but I will say it's loaded with options. Rally Sport. It's a 327 with the 4 barrel, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, deluxe interior, tilt, deluxe wheel, AM FM, speed minder, console, deluxe belts, power top, reproduction floor mats, bumper guards, the stripe, rally wheels, redline tires. The list goes on and on. And it's a 39,000 original mile car. It was one owner for about 45 years, and it was treated to a frame-off restoration. Go to volocars.com. You can see about 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So we bought it. The fellow that owned it passed away, and apparently he did all sorts of research to document that it's the highest option convertible. There's a coupe with more options. I don't have any proof to that. Again, I'm selling it as a loaded convertible. The fit and finish is excellent. All square, flush fitting hood, and the cowl, all that is straight and fits spot on. The fender looks outstanding. All this, the lines, the gaps are spot on the money. All this is really nice, absolutely straight. Door opens easily, shuts real nice, clean all the way down to the bottom. All this is looking really good, all straight. It's got spoilers too. All this looking really nice. It's like red glass. It's Bolero Red. All looking really nice all the way down to the bottom. Some rock chips, tiny little rock chips at the bottom there. This is all clean, straight. Here's a little nick at the edge of the door. Opens easily. Just push the button. It pops right open. Straight, no door dings or dents. All that looks beautiful. Yeah, the paint is polished, really smooth and glossy. Excellent, excellent paint. Painted on stripe, barely feel it. Painted out the correct dimensions. So the body and paint's beautiful. Now there's some North Carolina registrations in there. One is from 1995 with like 38,000 miles. One was from about 2002, I think it was, and it had just 200 less miles on it than it has now. Apparently it was put in storage after that. The trim is all really nice. The moldings are straight and shiny. The emblem's sparkling. It's the correct antenna for an FM. The AM is the type that pushes down. The stainless trim is real nice. Windshield's crystal clear. Vent window frame, real nice original. The rubber is real good. The fuzzy strips are real good. Now the Rally Sport has the hideaway lights, and it also has that wide molding along the bottom, and that's all shiny and straight. Door handle shiny. This molding looks original. A couple, little dents and surface scuffs on that. Tail lights look original. There's some freckles on the chrome, but they're real nice and shiny. Reverse lights are down here on the Rally Sports. Bumper guards are optional. It has the Rally Sport gas cap. Everything back here looks very good. The black convertible top is in excellent shape. The rubber has been replaced. There's pictures of that on our website. 14x7 rally wheels look to be in really nice shape with the reproduction Firestone wide oval tires. Has the bow tie Chevy mirror. This top piece of chrome, there's piece on each side. This chrome is kind of flaky a little bit. Not a little bit, it's significant along here. The chrome's flaky. Here's a North Carolina inspection sticker from 2002. Apparently after that it was parked. The hideaway lights do open and close. Everything up here fits real nice. You got bumper guards, lower spoiler. Beautiful car. Got a lot more to show you. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have in the trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid looks nice. Has the stickers. Jam is painted nice. Weather strip looks good. Inside is all solid with a nice spatter finish. Has the reproduction mat. And it's complete. Looks like an old Goodyear tire, maybe one of the originals. It's on a rally wheel. The whole jack assembly looks to be complete and nice looking shape. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Door jambs are painted nicely. Weather strips look good. It's a deluxe interior. I forgot to mention that. So it has the molded door panels. They're in excellent shape. And notice the factory power window switches. The dash area all looks nice and clean. You have the speed minder. That's that white needle in there. You can turn that. You can set it wherever you want, and it'll start buzzing when you hit that certain speed. And again, that mileage is claimed to be the original. Dash pad's in excellent shape. This is all real nice. You got AC, you got a nice control panel, you have an AM/FM radio. It works, you know, it's not great. It was kind of quiet, a little staticky, but it does work. Here's registrations I talked about. North Carolina inspection with 39,261 miles back in 01, so 24 years ago, about 200 miles were put on it. All nice and clean. Has the reproduction floor mats, or maybe they're the originals, but that was another option. Apparently the seat belts are deluxe seat belts. Option. Console is an option. The deluxe seats have these nice looking white stripes on them, which I think is pretty cool. Everything's all real nice. Back seat looks real nice. You got seat belts, the side armrest, all that looks to be in real good shape. The mirror and the visors look to be real good. Now it has an optional deluxe, the wood, they call it wood grain wheel, but they're actually plastic. And it's on a factory tilt column. Okay, be cruising in luxury with this Camaro Rally Sport. So it is a 327, 275 horsepower. So it is the 4-barrel version. It has the double hump heads on it and dual exhaust. All stock, all the manifolds, air cleaner, all stock. You can see factory air conditioning. Takes up a lot more room than the new versions do today. Has AC Delco plug wires. All this is clean and proper. Original spring clamp battery cables. Proper radiator and shroud and pulleys. A lot of custom cars these days. This one's stock. And then we got power steering down there. The alternator looks pretty fresh. We got power brakes. Wiper motor looks fresh. Everything looks proper. The way the hoses are run. Has hood insulation. Good, clean, original motor compartment. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Got a really nice, original, low-mile Camaro here. It's been very nicely freshened up. And it's got a 327 under the hood that's paired with a Power Glide automatic transmission. Very stock configuration. And this one's loaded with options, over 20 options on it. I'm sure Jay's going to tell you all about them. Power steering, power brakes are pertinent to our test drive here, and those two are both working well. It also does have a power top and power windows, both very nice options to have. So our shop went over this car top to bottom. Total between service and detail, we spent about a $3,800 bill on it. And yeah, if you need a full listing of that, you can absolutely contact somebody in sales, and we'll be happy to share all the information with you. But it had been sitting for several days in our showroom. Then we went to start it. Give it about 4 taps on the gas and cranked her over, and she went right away. Been running very nice since then. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with no problem. Fantastic, more than adequate power. Didn't sputter, didn't break up, nothing like that. Just nice, smooth, consistent revs, clear across the power band. Great car. Somebody's gonna have a lot of fun with this one. It's a nice, easy ride, you know. With all these power options, just makes it for a very nice driver-friendly experience. So if you want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to do that. Contact our sales department with about a day's notice. We can shift all the cars around and have it ready for you to inspect. And other than that, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So it looks like they actually take the body off the frame. Well, they did. There's new body bushings, but the whole front, suspension, steering, all rebuilt to stock. It's all clean and fresh. Everything in back looks fresh. Disc brakes in front. The brake lines were replaced. E-brake is hooked up. The fuel system looks like that was replaced. Tank is nice and clean. The lines look clean. The correct dual exhaust system with the transverse muffler. So it's 2 pipes go back to a muffler. It sits there sideways and it turns back into 2 pipes going out the back. That came with the 275 horse engine, which by the way is correct for the car. The dates match the build date of the car spot on. You look up at the motor, it's Chevy orange, you know, stock starter, stock Power Glide automatic transmission, the original 10-bolt rear end with 308 gears. It's just a nice cruising gear. The floors are really solid. Apparently it's claimed to have all of its original clean metal. The story was it was ordered for somebody's daughter, brand new, and they just wanted to get it loaded up for her. The rear spoiler was added later. They did admit that. But we have what's potentially a really low mile, rare car here. Very desirable with everything it has to offer. Go to volocars.com. Sales will help answer the rest of your questions, including how you're going to get your Camaro Rally Sport delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.